Hello viewers, I hope everyone are good, and today I'm going to show a phone of today I'm going to unbox a phone of Symphony model number L250i. So this is a good type of feature phone, and this have a good type of features, and this looks good too. So now let's take a look of the full box. The full box looks like this, and the back of it, here are some shortly instruction of they have tell about the features, and let's open it. So after opening it, we get a phone. We get the phone, and this is a feature phone. So now let's take the phone, and we'll just check out the phone later. So at first we get a warranty card of Symphony, warranty and user manual too. First of it, here's a user manual, short description, and back of the page here is warranty card. With this we get a charger, power adapter of 5 volts, and earphone, a normal standard earphone. Looks good, not bad. And a pack of and a card with the the card here is written is how to insert the SIM. And they've given us a plastic SIM too. Whoa, it looks cool. This card is so now total box is empty. We got nothing without this whole thing. So let's take a look of the shortly. Okay, now let's come to the phone. We get a light blue color phone with a camera of 0.3 megapixel and a speaker one. This looks very good, amazing. And up to here is a torch too. In the down of it is written the Symphony. The surface is very clean and it feels very good. And in front of it here is a music shortcut key and a 2.8-inch QVGA display. It looks cool, and the buttons are light blue color too, without the screen. And the music shortcut here, cool too. This looks amazing. And in the border of it here is a black color line. Middle of it, black lines, and up of it here is a torch, and the down of it is a charging port and a speaker port. And a speaker or earphone port. Speaker needs it anyway. And this phone have a 2500 mAh battery. mAh battery, good. This phone looks very cool and it's very amazing. And especially this, I've tested the torch too, and the torch is very cool. It works very good. And after plugging the earphone, I've listened some of music after entering the memory card. The music were very cleanly without earphone and with earphone. The earphones are good when I used it. So the full plugin is, this full phone is just like a smartphone. This is a feature phone, but its screen is very big and the buttons are very amazing. And I want to tell a thing here. And now we'll see some pictures of it. I captured this picture when it was raining, so I couldn't go outside. This is the packet of phone, and this full phone is cool, and the pictures are much of goodly, and the zooming power is good. Now I will be talking about the zoom power of it. Its zoom power is very good, but after zooming it, the full view is very cracked type of, so its zoom power is good but not that much of. In the video you're seeing just like this type of, but actually it's truly cool. It looks better, good resolution, but some of the time it's not. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video, and if you like this video, then please like me and stay with us by subscribing us. So thanks for watching.